Hi, my name is Grace Scott. This year I was lucky enough to receive a travelling scholarship from the Primary Industry Centre for Science Education. I am 18 years old and from Sydney and am participating in the PICSE program, involved travelling to Toowoomba, which is why I apologise for not being able to attend this reporting back session. First off, I would like to thank PICSE and all its supporting industries for the amazing experience that I've been offered. Camp was so much fun and I learnt so much from all the guest speakers, industries and companies that we visited and had time to impart their knowledge upon us. I also enjoyed the guest speakers we had, particularly Noel Knight, who taught us about plant pathology and interesting facts like bananas are genetically identical. We also did DNA extractions from wheat seedlings, which was engaging and helped me prepare for my industry placement. They are running experiments to test how the Australian native ecosystem will react to the climate changes that are predicted for 2050. They do this using whole tree chambers, which are giant plastic structures that encase an entire eucalyptus tree, in which they can control the temperature and the carbon dioxide levels. They have giant scaffolding-like structures which blast an entire ecosystem with carbon dioxide, where I was taken up in a giant crane to collect branch samples from affected trees. They also run experiments on the reactions of plants to drought conditions, and they have rainout shelters and polytunnels to keep these plants in these drought conditions. Working in the HIE let me learn a lot about not only plants and the environment, but also about the precision involved in experimental technique. Working in Jean-Hua's laboratory was fascinating, and I spent time looking for salt tolerance in genetically altered barley. Basically, I want to do genetic modification of crops as a career. So this is almost exactly what I would like to do, and I learnt so much, even in only 2 days. At the moment, Dr. Chen is doing data collection, and I helped to collect data on the stomate size of both test and control barley, using a computer program called ImageJ. Thank you for listening to my presentation, but more than anything, thank you for giving me this opportunity. It was great meeting all of the lovely people on camp and placement, but I would especially like to thank Kay Lembo, April Brown and Chris Villa for outstanding skills in organisation, and also Jean-Hua and Michelle for having me in the lab and letting me assist them in their project.